So obviously, the first step would be checking if the required domain is available. So here is where the name suggestion tool kicks in, and it will display relevant options to choose from. So you can then buy the domain and set the duration and name servers. So incidentally, this is the step where our newly launched telescopic pricing feature kicks in as well. So you'll be able to provision discounted pricing based on how many years a customer would want to purchase a domain name for. So this will enable you to gain a domain name for a longer duration, at the same time leverage discounted prices. So in the next step, the super site will automatically upsell other products for you, and the case in point being is hosting. And finally, we proceed to the payments page, and that's about it. So maximum benefit and minimum fuss. Right now, the second option available to sell the products and services available is the control panel. Now, you can also buy and provision products directly through your control panel. It can become a single point of interaction for you and your customers, allowing them to buy and manage their products from a single interface. And of course, it'll be fully brandable, and you have the option of configuring it with your super site and your pre-existing website. So here is how you'll be able to achieve that. So when you integrate it with your shopping cart, you can choose the super site or a customer URL. So that is your pre-existing website, where it will direct customers when they wish to buy products. Right? And then this is how the process takes place. Seamless. So when you check the availability of the domain, the control panel will automatically forward you to the specified URL. Right then, moving on, the third option available to sell your products and services is, of course, the API, right? So, in a nutshell, API helps you maintain your online brand and bundle our products with yours to make higher profits. Now, your existing website and our system will get integrated at the back end, ensuring that you can use our system's managing functionalities with your existing website. So, of course, you could use multiple languages, that is Perl, Java, ASP.NET, or PHP for that matter, to integrate your website using the API. So, the API would be SOAP-based APIs. We also have HTTP APIs available. And also, in case you decide to use the API, we get you in touch with an API specialist at our end. So we understand that it might be a new thing for a lot of people. So we wanted to ensure that we can help you however we can. The API specialist at our end will work as your API manager and will help you troubleshoot during your entire integration process. So now that I've already covered the products and services that you can sell and how you can sell them, coming to the third most important question, how can you manage your entire reseller business? Now, every business has various activities which can get complex and difficult to handle if done independently. So Reseller Club uses Logicbox's order box system and Control Panel, which is an industry leader in reseller business automation. So the system takes care of every aspect of your reseller business, and the control panels will act as a single point of management for all your daily activities. So through research and development of over 10 years, we have created and are constantly updating our platform to make it as convenient and user-friendly as possible. The control panels are intuitive and extremely simple to use. Your customers, your staff, and your resellers can use these control panels to manage any or all of their Reseller Club products and services. So as I mentioned before, it works as a single point of management for everything related to your business. It is a multilingual and multi-tier control panel, and most importantly, it is completely private labeled. Also, as I demonstrated earlier, the control panels are also integrated with your own website or the super site to ensure that the customers can purchase any product or service from their control panels itself. Right then, Now, as I see it, one of the biggest advantages with Reseller Club is that you do not need to bother about every tedious business activity. Our system does all of that and much more. It automates different business processes, making your overall reseller experience a very convenient one. It takes over as your sales staff, your accountant, your billing manager, and your collections manager. So our control panel is virtually divided into these sections, which make managing your business a piece of cake. So now I would just like to show you what our control panel looks like. So here we are. So the control panel has subsections depending on the business activity. So you can go under My Billing to manage your billing and funds with Reseller Club. Under customers and sub-resellers are various different options which comprehensively convey everything that you would want to do, from managing their orders to checking on pending payments to generating invoices and the whole 9 yards related to every single customer and sub-reseller. Now the products tab is a general overview of all your products, and you can search for orders according to the products and manage the renewals and all the different functions related to the various products that you offer. That is adding, modifying, deleting any of the products for any of your customers and resellers. Right, so here is a quick look at the first few features. Everything that I'll be mentioning now can be accessed and managed from your control panel. We will run by them quickly in the order that you would go through if you're setting up your own reseller business. So first comes the branding. And as I've been mentioning, our control panel is completely brandable. All interfaces, URLs, name servers, emails sent by the system, legal agreements, and shopping cart too. You then decide what products to sell and set their respective pricing and slab-based discounts, or even specific pricing for customers and sub-resellers. You also have the option to set up any promos which you might wish to run. So then go ahead and configure your tax rules and integrate a payment gateway of your choice. We've already integrated around 9 payment gateways in our system, but you also have the freedom to set up any new ones if you wish to do so. Now, along with that, you can automate payment collection settings as well, which include credit policies and payment reminders. So, of course, you can buy and manage all products from the control panel itself and manage all the aspects of your customers and sub-resellers as well. So some of the functions include list, search, add, modify, etc. Now, all these are the aspects which I discussed that can be managed from your control panel. And this was just a small part of what the control panel can do. Our control panel is extremely comprehensive, and this is just to show you what exactly you can expect. So we have a detailed webinar giving you a demo of our entire system. So this can be accessed on YouTube under Team Reseller Club's account as well. So the links are also available on our website and our blog. So if you have any questions regarding the same, please feel free to write to us, and we'll be more than happy to get back to you with the questions that you have.